It's so exciting to be able to have them come in here and really whip this place into shape. We're super excited for us. Yeah.
Friends as clients, that can be tricky. It's a huge compliment that Landon and Ty like our design style so much that they want us to redesign their home, but there's always a little bit of fear mixing business and personal.
Knock, knock.
Come on in.
I love your guys' house.
Oh, I know.
It's already so cute.
You know, when we first moved in here, we rented it.
And we were partying here all the time. Now we're married and 30 and like trying to like grow up in a sense, you know?
Renting to owning.
Right.
Yeah.
So it was like a 20s party house, and now it's a married 30s
Home.
Yeah. Home.
Okay.
And I love like the nostalgic throwback stuff. That's kind of what I bring a lot into it. Like Landon loves like the eclectic.
Moody. I love
Moody.
some dark, moody, like drama stuff.
Like literally your personality?
Literally,
Okay.
yeah, just me, put it on the wall.
Okay.
Yes.
Got you, got you.
The first thing I noticed when I came in was I love the molding on the wall.
Yes.
I love that juxtaposition of like that with the disco balls.
Like they just like reflect off.
that extra
right.
moody touch.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay.
But I want to just take it to the next level.
Right.
Yeah, please.
Because we do like that.
The biggest thing to me is I want to see what's under this floor.
I hate the floor.
These planks we're surfing on, they're just a laminate floor plank that you can find anywhere. End goal hope is to always find some sweet, original hardwoods that you can repurpose or just use.
Yeah.
So we shall see.
Everyone say a silent prayer about the floors underneath here.
So tell me about the mantle and fireplace. What were you guys thinking on this?
We love it. That vibe and the cozy, moody vibe to it. So I feel like the main thing in this room is that archway. The flow to that room just feels cut off. And
Yeah. Why is it so low?
Right.
You guys got to hit your head.
Yeah, I know.
No,
Right? Especially with a hat.
Barely.
Okay. We need to find a way to raise it.
So this room is the center space kind of to your living room and to your kitchen.
We don't really like sit down and like eat like that. I feel like we more play games here, hanging out.
Okay.
This is where like the meal prep always happens
Yes,
too.
Right.
literally though. I'll be chopping away on here, like,
Right.
yeah.
You can't really utilize it as like the kitchen. Can't really utilize it as the living room. You know, it's just.
That totally makes sense.
And we would love to be able to have people over and not feel so crowded on top of each
Right.
other. You know.
Smooth, not like, oh,
Run
excuse
into
me.
disco balls.
Oh,
Everything
excuse me.
is just choppy.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I'm coming through.
Yes!
Honestly, demoing this wall, this is gonna be the biggest change to
Yeah.
this house. I mean, if we couldn't take this wall down, I'd be like, see ya, not doing this.
He needs to go.
Dang, it looks so good. The next thing we want to work on is this flooring because that's gonna decide kind of what we do throughout for flooring.
From day one, I've been wondering what's underneath this floor. But if the original floors are covered, there's a reason.
Yeah.
Right.
On this side, we definitely got some extra layers of stuff that we got to get through to see what is under there. I think we'll just be really careful as we peel it back.
But I guess we won't know till we know what's underneath.
Well, let's find out. Oh, it's dusty. All right.
Okay.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Hey!
Sweet.
It's in a lot nicer shape than I expected.
I was gonna say.
No! Bunch of layers of stuff we didn't want.
Right.
Like really hard to get out stuff.
OSB, plywood, and the laminate.
Like they put a floor in and then they covered it
They
with that.
covered it and did it again and covered it and did it again.
Yeah.
This used to be a rental, so they probably were patching the floors just to keep updating it. It's like a quick fix, so that's probably why there's 8 layers of floor.
There's no way to like refinish these 2 rooms. It's gonna have to be something
There's
totally
no
new.
wood underneath this
Right.
floor.
Yeah.
So there's no way
Gotcha.
to have both of them be the original wood.
I really want to unify the kitchen and dining room, and they need to have the same floor. It's time to pivot, folks.
Always got to be ready to pivot.
I'm thinking a big dramatic tile.
Right. We'll circle back on this.
Okay, but I'm excited to see the living room. Hopefully that's in good shape because then we could refinish
That
those.
could be a transition.
Right.
Look at that.
It's not bad.
Sweet.
Do you think we can salvage them?
Yeah, I think they're in good shape.
All right, so here in the living room, I want to refinish these hardwoods and go from there.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Ty describes his style as very nostalgic, so I feel like those original hardwood floors would just fit so well with his style, and he would appreciate them so much. Lena and Ty had disco balls all over their house when we did our walkthrough, so I thought it would be fun if we filled up the fireplace with disco balls.
Which is really cool.
They're very eclectic, whimsy, glam. This
Right.
is just the perfect place to put just a big old stack of disco balls. Ready?
Yeah.
I have sticky strips so they don't roll away.
Yeah.
I definitely want it to be a mix of all the sizes. I just think we need to get the bigger disco balls in first and then use
Right.
the smaller ones as the filler to any holes.
Right.
And since we're gonna permanently attach these, I wanna make sure we know the exact layout that we're gonna
It's like a puzzle.
do. Yeah. Put them a little closer.
Okay.
And this guy here. No! I should have waited and put tape on each one. I
Yeah.
got too excited.
I hear you, but it's okay.
Are you mad at me?
Never. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
I love it! I feel like we have a good idea about the layout, don't you? This is a great test run, and I know this is gonna work when we do our final install, but now just help me put these away. I really wanna get some answers about the flooring and just kind of our options.
Yeah.
Because originally when we pulled up everything and we found these original hardwood floors, it was like exciting because anytime you can refinish original hardwood floors, that is going to be the way to go. Still getting that old character from their house. I just wanted to chat with you and see what we could do.
So we ran into multiple areas. Almost everywhere you look, there's either missing boards, patches, gouges from previous remodels. It's just so far gone.
Right.
The original hardwood. I don't know if putting, the amount of money that it would take to refinish this floor properly, the budget it would take, I don't think it's worth it on this project.
Yeah, you can definitely see they're pretty rough.
Is there a way that we can do something with the original flooring, whether that's painting?
Absolutely. Doing a paint versus a stain, we can mask some of these glaring issues.
Right.
When you walk in, you will tell that this is absolutely a hardwood floor.
So I think that's what we do. I think we paint it. I'm thinking black. I think it's gonna flow really nicely into the kitchen and dining because we have the black and white flooring in there. So it's almost gonna be just a nice wood texture, black, and then head into the kitchen tile. And I think that's gonna be a really cool element. And Lena and Ty like that.
Totally.
That is best of both worlds.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna look cool. Lighting.
Yep.
Okay, we have really fun lighting going in this house. I've actually been waiting for this specific light. You can have so much fun with lights. There's so many different styles, and it is something that you can change out over time. You don't have to commit to that forever, and it looks more grand and bold when they're oversized. Oh, she's beautiful. I love the gold. It's gonna go really nicely with the wall trim. Okay, so there's gonna be black wallpaper on the ceiling, and then the gold trim is going along the wall, so it'll tie in there. I think it's gonna look amazing. The other two lights we have going in, this one is for in the kitchen.
Okay.
And then this chandelier is for the dining room.
Look at that.
Industrial vibes. It's simple, but there's still texture on it, and there's gold on the inside. I think that's gonna look really nice.
coming together now.
This is a nice kitchen now.
Talk about an upgrade.
Upgrade. I have the wallpaper. It's gonna go on the ceiling. It's fabulous. It is. So it's got some velvet skulls on it. It's kind of a fun texture. So I wanted to bring in something moody and something that I know they would love, which is skulls. I have a little bit of an inner goth, and I know Landon and Ty have one too. This is a one-time opportunity because you cannot put velvet skull wallpaper on just everybody's ceiling.
No.
So I'm just gonna go for it. We're on target. It looks so good.
Insane.
So what are you guys feeling?
I'm like so anxious and ready and excited and
I
all the
agree.
things.
Yes.
right.
Just to see what you did with the place. I cannot wait.
I want you to see the living room first. So I'm gonna have you guys close your eyes when we go in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
Here we go.
All right, close your eyes.
It does.
Don't you dare be peeking.
I'm not. I trust you.
You right there. All right, you guys, open your eyes.
Holy! Are you kidding me? That gold is amazing. I'm shocked.
Wow.
Holy crap.
Take it in.
I'm literally shocked.
I cannot believe it.
The pink fireplace.
Wow. The floor. The
I
wallpaper.
love it.
I'm shaking. I cannot believe it, Chelsea. The gold. This is what I've envisioned for myself and us. And that you guys literally nailed it.
Wow.
It's so freaking cool.
You guys are a vibe yourselves.
Yeah.
And we wanted your house to be a vibe in itself.
100%.
Wow, and it is.
We thought we would come into each room and be like, what can we do that's different than the norm? When we thought to put the wallpaper on the ceiling, I actually had this skull wallpaper. It felt edgy but glam at the same
Yes.
time
Yeah.
because it's velvet.
So cool.
With that light, it looks so
Yes.
dope.
I love the texture.
Lots of textures.
Yes. The molding too, like that's so cool.
The gold is amazing.
Wow.
I really wanted to bring in some gold elements to match the light fixture.
It looks so glam. It looks so cool.
We closed off this doorway.
Definitely feels like now we're in a living room.
Yes.
Before you had that dated laminate floor, we took those out and we just painted them.
I love it. It gives us that dark, moody stuff
Yes,
still, you know? Like,
Yeah.
I love.
I did want to bring a pink element to this room, but not too much.
It's
Like
perfect.
just
yes.
enough.
Yes. So I wanted to do the fireplace. It's a nice size. I just thought that would be the perfect place to put a pop of color.
Oh, and
Love
the
it.
pink next to the disco balls with the gold. the
Yeah.
Black
lights.
in the background.
It's honestly perfect. It screams us.
Literally.
You guys like?
I love.
I'm
I love.
obsessed.
Are you guys ready to see your kitchen and dining room?
Okay. Holy. Oh my god.
My God.
I can't even believe this is the same house. Oh my god. This floor is
Oh my God.
amazing.
Wow.
You guys
Wow.
killed it. This is crazy.
Wow.
Holy moly. I mean, is this the
Like-
same table?
Yes!
No way.
Yep. She's sturdy now.
The wall gone.
The ball's gone.
I
Wow.
can't believe that this is that same kitchen area.
This is where that wall was.
That's
You
so
guys,
crazy.
I'm mind blown. I'm literally mind blown. I feel so goofy. This is crazy.
Can you tell that the arch is bigger?
Yes.
So we reshaped it, reworked it, made it taller. Look at that.
Wow.
Literally,
I
though.
really can't
So much
reach it
space.
now.
That's grand.
So good.